Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've done tons of video on text. Somebody emailed me this afternoon, and they say when they hold down the control, but I'm thinking control button, it won't change the size of the text. Control isn't one of the keys you can use on text. You can use the shift key and it'll grow it from the center where it was. Wow. Let's change it back to 200. So the normal way to change the text would be to go up here and change it to under points, change it to 300 points. So you've made that size. Now, there are some other things we can do. On your keyboard, on your number part of your keyboard, there's 4 arrows. If you hold down the control button and press these arrows, so I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to hit and watch up here, it's 200 points. I'm going to hit the 6th arrow key. It became 210, 220, 230. It's raising 10 points at a time. If you hit still hold down the control button, you hit the 4, which is a left arrow button, it's going to go back down by 10. 8 and 2, 8 is up, so it's going to make it larger, but look, just 1 point at a time. If you're watching that right there. If you hold down the 2, you can go 1 point at a time. Now, with that said, the other way, if you needed a specific font size, you could make this thing 15 inches long by changing the size. And if your ratio is locked, see, it changed everything from 15 to 2.23. So it kept it, so now it's 216.686 points. So you didn't really change anything. Now you could ungroup it and make it 3 inches tall, and it's still 15 inches long. And then I thought I'd just bring up, if you use your shape tool, you can click. So this little, let me zoom in. With the shape tool, you can click, well, one, you can move that and it'll change the letters, stretch them out. If you hold down the control button, if you hold down the shift key, it'll change just the size or the spacing between that letter. But if you take the tool and go right here, and I'm going to make that 400 points for that T. So it made that one letter, or you could make one word. You could take your text tool or your shape tool and select all these and then make this 400. So you're changing the text. But commonly, you're going to want to change your text just up here and make it, like we could still do that. You could take the text tool and select blue in this, and then you could make that part, let me get rid of that, 400, and I put 9. I put 0. So it made the text 400 points. You can do that with the text tool. But the common way is going to be, so now your font is reading 400 points because that's the largest. But your common way to increase your text is right here. And you can change it to 100 points, 200 points. And if a number is not written, you could make it 175. You just type it in. Anyway, I hope that answers, I hope that was the answer. I hope that was the question he was looking for, or the answer he was looking for with his question. I wasn't 100% sure. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.